Hi, and thanks for joining us today for our Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. I'm your host, Jackie Stezik. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director of Multi-Trade Building Services. We're going to be bringing you a video renovation tip of the week every single week to teach you a little bit more about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. We're going to try and keep these videos short so that you can very quickly learn a little bit more about the renovation process. This week, we're going to talk about floor tiles for your bathroom showers. Now, when you do a shower in your bathroom, whether it's just replacing the shower or doing a complete bathroom renovation, this is ultimately what it looks like before the tiles go on. The problem is everything on that floor of that shower needs to be able to slope toward the floor drain, whether the floor drain is in the middle of the shower, as it is in this photo, or it's closer to the one end or the other. Consequently, you need to make sure that your tiles are relatively small so that they can properly slope toward that drain. Here's a picture of a shower that has tiny little 1-inch by 1-inch mosaic tiles on the floor of the shower. They've used that same tile to go up the walls of the shower too. Because these are small tiles, even though they usually come on a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet, they can easily flow and flex toward that floor drain. Here's another example of penny rounds, which are starting to become very popular. Again, they're small tiles that are on a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet, but they can easily flow and slope properly toward that floor drain. This is one of our favorites and one that our client loves. These are 2x2, but they are hexagon-shaped mosaic tiles. The largest tile that we suggest that you go with for a floor tile in your shower is a 2x2, whether it's hexagon-shaped like this one, or they can also be in square shapes like this. They are very inexpensive if you go with plain, single monotone colors like white and beige. You can even get them off the shelves at Home Depot or Lowe's. Some of the more decorative ones, like the one you see in this photo, can be upwards of $15 to $23 or even $25 to $30 per square foot. But most showers, they're less than 15 square feet, so it's not going to be a large investment. Another option you have is to go with a curbless shower or a zero clearance shower. You can see in the photo here that this shower has no curb whatsoever. In that instance, you can easily go with any size tile that you want because you're sloping the entire floor toward a linear drain. Now you can see a close-up of this same shower. The linear drain is at the back where you see that big long rectangular piece. That's actually the drain. Everything slopes toward that back end. So consequently, you can have larger size tiles. Ultimately, the same tiles you would have on the floor of the bathroom are the same tiles that flow into the shower floor itself. This produces a very simple, elegant look to your bathroom, but does come at a bit more of an expense. So for more information on selecting tiles, check out our blog post. Just click on www.multitradebuildingservices.com and click on News. Scroll down until you find your ultimate guide to selecting the perfect tile. Thanks for joining us for this week's renovation tip of the week. Feel free to contact us at any of the areas that you see on the screen, info@multitradebuildingservices.com, or you can give us a call at 905-259-3344. Be sure to check back next week as we help you learn to love your home.